Adefo ya mamu nyina kwaba edeba Rejoice Media TV so onia Nyankopon hirawa na wo hirawa nyame adom Rejoice Media TV a Nyankopon eguso eden o hirayen nyame adom ye studio foforo kra nana emunu sei shian brand new aja say no bibia koso videos eko viral virtual videos nana sports commentary bibia manfo betena say political shows nana bibia onia yesiru ba koso one side ho nana ho de bibia koso aja say enzi mamu nyina kwaba e ba Rejoice Media TV so onia as time goes on o share no nya botre no relax it because you want to be brave because Rejoice Media TV no onia company no so ye nya ma be brave o hanim say a aja say o share so a aja say your wine be brave your football club na your fish farm na wo na nya ma be brave but NSA no there ya betena se na atena se ya de nyoma trendy updates ya baba onia ya be ko school mu ho because school mu ho no a accounting apia menka University of Skills Training and Entrepreneurial Development Amstead ana campus village ni nyina updates ni nyina de ko amanfo ante yen edwuma se ya ba ko biabia na de updates na den abrem ye wi a ye de trending issues and different updates na esanso e de abre ahwefo memidin ane all principal all protocols duly observe and also me left and right more right for be all me change chama now didn't say
frame na come na usu a channel na do na frame arrested and I say original couple one.
That's right, me say arrested and that's original couple ana ya kwa decide so arrested no for yi chama now didn't say
edina ya to me ya wo me kwasi ada samo kwasi twumi si barema etwenku ze ehon me do a metwum kakra mo se ehon na dodo na abe etwenku ankra ankra onya samu ya atrasi kwa de Mr. Arrested I introduce ne ho Mr. Twenku so introduce ne ho de nana really de akọ na de bremo no onya we the friend updates onya hano yebeka yenya hunku yebeka yetenso yebeka what I say onya ento aso answer me meba no me de me updates meba no o hwe me panel from mo license side no some updates wo nana mini arrested
mini
for updates no sha say na tifo hu de ekọ
yo tifo yekoso achiamo about Rejoice Media TV now update number 1 your free university be your friend accountant appear menka University of Skills Training and Entrepreneurial Development school be a nyame anim ne bonsametikoni emu afeye na auto abo ase na kenkan din no anwana school no fa letter by letter eye mako aduosun miensa na je 73 na say university of Ghana nyina yankwan ye school ni din no e wa wosa do department kra na other staffs ne be kan dia na wutwam 100 na update ya de brem eye eno ada nyame chadum Hawke se ba ko e wo se suku pon mu na bin so be ya de bia ye de maba wa se de Ghana ye taye bia ye friend Ghana was beautiful suku yin so de ne de bae a mo se friend the Royals 2021 na minua esewani ensa wo ka kire wo ko ho na ko hu ma ye ka se emani de efefe de wewa de honam wo ho na honam sadi na minua na ye ko kontine ko he no na je se nyoma no ye hu se ne yensi fanka ebi mu boka ebi mu ye nyoma na ma ne ho asiesie no nefe enti minua sa nyoma we ne nyoma edidu no ene ye de brem nti ye twa ye ho me de ma minua no e kire mesa de mu eden no esa de abra minua
eza we kan say intro boba ha Miss Royal atwamafo no atwamafo no da kofefo kuku danfo no e be say na o me di shu angasa e da so minua tweko only for updates man
updates are very current enche ye ko school no mu a ye ya che school no mu de ye njam nsam kada
right
yantie say Edward Ebey.
Okay.
On the 12th of 12th of July. Very, 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 very crucial. At the lake, Campus Lake, Everbro. Okay. The Muslim seminar, so at the Bebramo.
It's a Campus Lake. Only I can hear lake. What I say?
Lake now, lake, yeah, now it's a
Campus Bobo.
Lake now, sister Link who say, yeah, so
there's a leak, Mr. Meeting leak, it's not the leak is there.
It's a bon Muslim seminar.
I say so. Only shall say, said, Mamma Filano and Twasuna, young Wasso. Only you rescue one. What's a fear game? I know your opinion. And penny force who be said, we say Jale, that's a good Jale. And that's about them near Baby, you are tired, only our own Yading.
Oh, no,
on nakedness, no indignity, and conquer J. What tired, Nana. They tell us, presidents be twitchy. President be twitch papa na president na amount for a dinner term easy amount for kebiche ne pa we be say ba ne say president ya wo school we na ne dino jinsu na esu so ata say o angana me ko no mama go fu bi na mo to omonyo ma bo president ni di am say president your mother's destined. I just say, your president, your mother's destined. President, your office was no. You man go free 3 days. I'm the man. I'm the superior. Say, hey, and I saw you too. Your mother's destined. Nana, let the end of a kind. That's how I say, I'm blasted. What to bomb? President, your mother's destined. What do you want to say?
Say, I know the other and you go ha. It's me news. I said, Mimi, say, Mimi did Ronaldo Atema in the news. But Ronaldo to Ronaldo Bayemi. News. And the president today has always come now. We had a Ghana, a man penny cram for a conference. Tis our university when we are comfortable. Now we need DNA, who could do now, can be at your nice. I told you, I
told you now. To the president here, you shower the back and say, your mother's destined. Arrested. Really, my Yabakune was so.
Sounds only a course of Sasuku Poem when I'm not here back home more hawk as see about Kosuku. Your friend who autonomy. Now I'm not anymore. You see, any about quiet friend, a young rich monosu, don't friend money parker. If you see a brandy in your gun, any ABC Nigerian, ABC with the Bini. Now also buy and send me a Lubin or the Betuda or Sini Dinia who do me, your friend Chukudi. And then in Yaba Consudichin Wezi. You know, Sansem Wino, your coach, you cover a man, even with so much Montias, the business of Montias, your Monino. Is a brandy, a brandy, be a Nicalano, and Sagana color. And Septobo color. It's not as a young who cry any influencer. Another so my better higher one, a high, my end, you understand you Chinwezi, and Chukudi abandoned, and I just said, on your garden in Eze, it says, I be a Timmy will beat me before so be a gun and you are brow header, on the garden.
When I was a gun and a mind be your door hadn't seen. But I said, and can see say no beauty Chukudi. Chinwezi, yes, so I was all for Savia garden. I'm a far rich moon. As I'm a far rich moon. As a woman. Only my free campus walk, never social, as I said. Nana, and so me trendy. Some things is trendy, and trendier. Nana, about you be watching, no? About you be watching, about you be I didn't know me do. Now we do some reading, Nana. Oh, Hena, we have a Huna says. Because says, cells, maybe I will be Bonia, and then the police Friday, Akachi says, oh, maybe say, and then I buy me, aye. Abaya ni din ade na omi do di nana they tell say wakwe mistake wakwe sweet mistake na mistake ko obi bisa say dey mistake na wakwe sa ba we hu na Nyankopon hira no ne nim ni nechi eyi ya say abobo ankasa say make him what say ya say ka say body agbawe body ya ka say shape shape na they tell say abaya bomode twetwa ni nude pictures any naked pictures, any videos that they able to phone so. And a WhatsApp group as a commodity mu chatting and a quite mistake. And a copy back at the 2 page no. Nana, Nitia ye, or copy 2 group nana man for say no about you then away. The way is a criminal offense, indecent exposure. I'm about you, I call police for. I'm a police force. No. The idea about you and tree. Want to me found naked. M group Musabi. Onia.
Mina nyamye no krani. Enya mebu hona e koso mani ma me huni se ntwayi. Fi se ukọ idea. Ye wo man ya ni bi ho mo so ye ne o man sin sei. Ba ye nya mo hwe mimi nim kra me ni maya be aduoson abetimi abo mo din si a ogo follow ni idea. Ube hunu ma ye keke so ba nyoma bi wo ha enne me ye chese Ghana ha no uniska utiti se dwanti enyoma bi wo ha se mimi wo sika na me ya ye nyem hwe ba uniska akoya ye be yo bibi
so no mini arrest say Ghana ha uniska utiti se dwanti ezi abayo ya di na omidudi police for ensaka no na they tell say police for echi na mu investigation no ona mu say no amukọ abayo phone mu a mu say sa empono Ele pono singular. Pono
the plural of no is
pono pono doso. Abaya bebire egun fonsi abaya. Adia wuye it is illegal. It's actually illegal say abaya no match the times 2. And so no they say adia abaya na obi do di police for and search no. Amosaka no. Or says ro mo to na no Obedem.
Say.
I don't know any obedem. I mean,
as obedem dia, yes, Ghana is broke.
Sir?
Yes, Ghana is broke. The minute when I say Ghana is broke.
Only Akoso.
Minia. Young mammy, young papa, when your baby call and can President Atamos, former president. Sure. Ernestina, or the Abba, I say Ghana is broke. And I say, say come on penny out here gaso na hwe o mind the way ho kire yen na wo say me jere ene me vice jere me beto mo pemu e ma me ada dwen wan wo say no Ghana is broke into papa e be ya ke twasan o say ye den jai kura na fataw hwe de way ho kire wo teacher for to mo pemu na say workers pemu 4%. I don't want to find more cranky and do 17 Ghana. Minia, it's a mamma, Akasabe, and my mom for support some mamma was your man, why you dear, and Casas can a year in Penny me, and can be a young catcher, Chapos account, was going to do baby. Here's a teacher never to classroom or swear sir. I was a woman of 4%, but I can't like it to one. Minia, Ghana is broke.
As I said, some union, I trained papa. Salaries. Somebody, Omasha said, and farmer, a man penny in a bedi chair no mono. Nana, scanned jet. Nana to me say, Scano, arrest a home. Arrest a home. Many are only arrest the doors of some pain. Say arrest, almost started in 2017. And those who say pay in 2017. January football match April May June 12 month 2018 12 month 19 12 month only the money is big over only you come on
ma me no say omo ba ko bia arrest ba ko as say teaching salary aka bo be enfia be enu
easy
and then Scanoson. Only I say, but I say, a man for egg can say, oh, I'm penny a bay and Kawadi and cannot. I can tell you this. Bembe be a Juma, or you mustn't be or Bashana again.
That is it.
As I say, Bembe be a Juma, or you mustn't be there or Bashana again or Henry Mahusia. Now, if you are saying, say, you are away, say, me, so say, I buy a Janica. And I say, doctors, or say, I buy a Chomuka. No more sound of Chumuka, I can't say, Maro. Teacher news so about Joka, say about church in Yibiaka. You see, training. You pay me, you pay my wife. You pay me, you pay my wife. Being arrested.
Now, Miss Hansen, when I say, I'm in Tiasia. He said, we share ye penny for no more by Muna. Or more areas no cromogeno, as we chum pay no. I can't see me saying, coming, Kaida says, areas no yin trim, ne or pay no, yɛn first kakra bi enka ho fi sɛ no mom eboa de bia yɛse yɛn ho kyere yɛ nso nyoma a yɛkɔ so wɔ man besi dɛ yɛn ho kyere yɛ
nana
de bia yɛn ho kyere yɛ nso nyoma yɛkɔ so no kra no eku yɛ sunsun kra besi dɛ ɔman we ayi na we ebi mu so de tia mpanyinfo a ebi mu tinkyɛn a ɔse yɛ na bui ɛna se ɛnyoma we ne kra na yɛkɔ so no yɛn hu sɛm a yɛn ka nti we no nana we de nana show boy nana batampa nana ekufu ado yɛsrɛ yɛn hu bibi mai na we de ano ɛden
nana pay na utu ayere ne de ebe ya nka mo bia nsoso bi mi se nka utu am na sa atwa me ere a dwumedi ayi sponsors p na yeden aso ya sene number 1 ohwa me nsem adum se me nsem ayi we atwa ho prekese wine omuno omusu ya sene ede dwumedi ebrem no nia 10% alcohol yes alcohol ne wo mu no I say, I say, craving it. Me arrested.
Saso na misumi kra moringa power wine. Na je se moringa ne de enye izo. Wa ahwe moringa se ne isifa di akunini e we yema yimu a ne yasa ade aye wine de na je se me yo so ka bihwe. Na ko percentage ne e ki just 10%. Ntu pa oda wo de hisi won sabeti me aka we moringa power wine. Onia Kabibie.
And you can drink. You enjoy Rejoice Foundation. It's border. Amodia. Yet almost so.
Yes,
sorry.
Amodia Jumedik. Amotai chi papa. Ya Jomudi.
Onia. Jomudi dia say Rejoice FM. Rejoice FM so boy chidom papa. What I say Rejoice FM 101.7 na. Maybe I will be information be or adverts be announcement be also yana. Maybe I will be obey me. I train up on my board. You may deal with the Rama. Come. Rejoice FM. Over say internet if you did 10 times. So over to me. Follow rejoicefmonline.com. www.rejoicefmonline.com. Onia Rejoice Fish Farming and Rejoice Fishes also or nana elpin sumunam. Isumunam enambia wonsum nambia wonsum biaro utube Rejoice fishing fish farms obenye bi ho what I say onia some no dey fa updates no kind no ento aso minia ye kan asemi say unya me na so obeye me na sa wa nya me na mi nyawa me meyo what I say abrantie bi a wonya enfie 22 and 22 years eduenu mienu ati ase samri obomoden e de sekan atwo no ngasa ne master minimu etwaniti if you say show e was a she akoba ne say abrantie say ne master obomoden e be fa ne efri northern region e ne ba se hwememu say enkode ne eba be yedwuma Odemba be edwuma eye efum edwuma na dade a efum family ya but since de bia hwene masani de hu se no asane masani wo adwembo ne bia de ma no asane masani nya no ne be diske dro
oda no so
nti no oda no so no se no ase de masani ne ne okọ na se ya akọ extreme ase nya ma so no se ne masani nya de be diske dro no ase afi de ya wule na bre abrantie e bo modern etwa ne masa no ewofu otete ne masa na asode omodo no o masa do hamame o masa o mame no han sema ne masa ne yeso dan ne ho na sekan ne ti sei tewa otwa ne ti no ye fa se a trade e mitwa besu enye sika wo ho no no she botumu se nko o de fa one side no so e da ko diski duro ene se ne ti anyeyi a asem ni ma okrumo no mo aba modern che abante ya a police for ensaka abranti nana minya wabekum menyekum wodi won say
na ti wonya na obekum na wenkum na me saka ma simi jawo
sa
we kura gode self defense is not a crime we go to the kan o ta to bia so na obekum na wenya nkumia na me saka hele
minya arrested mekum na menyekum a
Tablet kanagra aye sere mi hu sere biti panje lokun menye nkuaza eja yese di obi pe wa ye no wada ho so na master ne yese oye sharper akani
oye hurry up
master ne ye na wa kwani a chentra na so ko
wa fiam. Me arrested.
Yeah.
My updates na was.
There's a san semia ekosia na yeso ko eye university ba ko agidin eye Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology eye abrantie bi a owo hall kese ba ko agidin a friend Queen's Hall.
Okay.
Nipa dodo na friend Kelvin Kwesi Jamfi. Ni din a school mu ho bi adinim ne Vimy Carter. Yes ye ni abrantie enya ababa wa so no bi. Na baba wa ya wanye yesie ni ya hona ma mehu ye sansem yi a ekosi na mu sese ubedi apem anase ubedi wo ha me ha no ya apem ni apem breko ye ni abrantie yeso wa boka chichiridie eka wa ye ni ya boye enye kaketoa ne no na ya na mama kai sa school mu na minim se ye dua bo se ye din sa broken heart issue etesi amu yesi abrantie e bi ache ne den na yesi oda ya hospital kesi ewuji esi agena so ne esi ehu ni enye na nsemu ebi no ya na metia
na me onia
tibidia nsem bi se no nyabia ni do kurani
na ba ni kiat eya
kiat de bibi ntimi ne ntimi
kiat eya o mi de bi ache me da bi ache me
mention nya bi ba minimadafo bi onya bi
obi si bi atene da so unje de nye mono kan de ne ne ebu de ono e bi hanya no ene yeze wutie ba me fi obra wasi afre no ush
ezo
to ono bi atene pe ma ni nji
oni am bro kiat na che no
what the president de bro da
oni ana pa ma so le se de lessons kuma me headmaster asana bible na me come na me we na de se director heavy na ma so I shit easy booking at enye
let's know that the bible
adane bible ni
ezempiwe no wejere ho adi ase ye mi atwa ko fa kakra so
oni am update
no update ye ntwam hwi ye kodu Nigeria osofo pombi when you baby ko TB Joshua
the first time you
papa no the first time on the wuni na eye krabehwe se bam ben menum nyamfo pa wewu ni adeda no ni besie no
enye ben menum nyamfo
so nyami nipa
da bi nyami asane mo
se nyami srada ofiri meme nyami nipa
we nyami nipa isi abawu
mini akọ
mini papa oba wiase ensenchene papa abaye edoso so we Jesus Christ we anga papa ne wo
sa
ebubuafo nante akotafo ye hwe nkwan ene frafo hu ade na papa nyame atonsa e dia frem papa ewu ye ensem bebre ene sisi na yesu ene papa dia waye no na wa woni tua ene na de wuli anke bia na enye amanfo ka papa na amanfo ka bone but nyame adom papa no ye de na hyefom na ne hyefom no emia behwe su Nigeria ebutu amanfo su omo waje bia mom re eno mo minia
ye pe abone form
no so ho minia to ko Nigeria de a esu abrom papa
onia minia TB Joshua
ye onia
sofo o de bi say minia
o minia sofo o papa
o wade
papa sofo
papa bra 50 ai
oh David it was TB Joshua to minia
o da
that's why minia cause say your papa enya be 90 na so we nya me to say me last born it's be minia I have last born so
I never say papa
sanity on say na we phone you to minia no
yes
na so we ye die
obi anya no
obi enti minia no
mobo
oni ayentwa so minia arrested answer na audio updates me ba no I'm from my updates no and was so answer na baba nana we ase dey say money the sweet scared there money the drum dey say nana yankwa abrochimem musician bi and the Drake I just say I got money na
gospel
wabamotin ayo hoade bia if said the whole world obi anya bi da on say aya na be ma shi oba obese one ne ko date aya so mo ko tan be kakra
date rush
they be need date rush
boni
on ko be kakra no mo ko tan ase no nyama di ade what I say abanti abomodin akọ high a whole stadium on ne get kwa akotena stadium bonom on a date akwa a host stadium my farm man for be 1 million capacity onia we odi on sa won say we odi on say
is say I want me tell say uniska na asemo me ska won abranti na ngasa obi ska won ho nyame
ska won nyame sharo
ni nyoma bia nso we bia no to ne boye no ne kwan so ska won ho we fi say utie no nwum so na obi nso amani ti no ne nwum ogbo nyina ye nwuma ede odi mrofo nyoma no eye mane e kama nti wakọ high stadium a entimi nyamwa fi ska won ho
silence lipa ya dia osaye arrested for updates no was na ye nanti what I say
Samson na ye mai mo ye see Minister of Finance a present 28 million loan agreement to parliament to purchase a car na just 28 million no ye Minister of Finance no yes we present o mo mfa nto car na o hwe sa nyoma we na just ye mai no ye sike ya ni edi o ye mai ye sike ya
na this guy is broke you
yesike ya ni edi odin ho kra wonti ase anso ye kaya ye bo ye ma mi se bi adwadifo nkakrawa ye teku ni esempo ya na ye mpanyimfo yidi enjeni a we kaya ya koto ya kai ye mpanko baby ya anso kai ya tiska dia koto ndi saska no ye ntimi mfa mo ye nkol ye ma ya omuwo bo school mo ya ntine ya ye ma mu de ye bre
ntino abanesa ezisi ale bobo modern na ye so ya kwa kudi parliament for me akwa kuchika
musika ufo
onia
yemrefi
ase ya akwa
bontiache yemrefi na only fi and I was be esi ewo eye school I friend of Amstead
okay
do na friend of amon wa bontin friend of Amstead but yeah we school there in say friend Amstead na school no eye ho miensa ene wo ba ku ye atwema ba ku ye opokuare ene ba ku ye dey autonomy the youngest war with the largest population
sure
and then I was saying be esi ewo autonomy and nesanya eye abrante bi dodo na e friend the general
okay
the general eye abrante bi ewiase yase wo hwe ase no wa ma ho so a ebe so obi be ma ho so
be ka ho
and abrante no o contest no hwe ase
so ori
Maria for me and I feel also besia ba na awode bi and oyeye putuprum and sorry also when that dey obey clean up exercise obema autonomy blog no mu ayeden ayekra behwe
okay
and then organize and ben man mbai wa wo blog no mu no so eye workers monda workers monda and them fa hoka into no eye emrante ne baba wa obia fa ne dade ne prayer ne scrubbing brush ye penkotwi and yami adom and then autonomy ina yese esweni na se o ka kire aba ye fe papa so we ya de ya be bodimpa enye so ayere e be fa
uja me nya twa kon wa ni nyina as a cleanliness is next to godliness. It's all about Rejoice Media TV only an updates no and I hear bre mo no me myself and I mediane hall principal all protocols duly observed many anu left right minia
a friend me kwabne usu e chan aka arrested
enemy usudi wa drane
me short
wodin
Samuel Kwesi Twumesi twekon
silence ye be na mu nyina ase e da hwefo nyina ase ka unu se obe se follow na Rejoice Media TV and all social media handles Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, all the social media handles no. Yo, nana, your sponsors ni nyina e beda ma say Rejoice Moringa wine, Rejoice Brekese, Rejoice Media Foundation, Rejoice Fish Farming, Rejoice Fish Farming nana nana Rejoice TV nana da munyina ase Rejoice FM 101.7 nana me say obese o follow ye o internet me so a www.rejoiceFMonline.com na say bibia ekoso da munyina ase meet us same time next week next tomorrow anytime it can be the next hour with me as answer babiem
eni jenkwa